Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a Stihl 28 chainsaw today. That's the 43cc motor. Power head on that is 12 pounds. Capable of running up to a 28-inch bar and chain. This one features a 20-inch bar and chain. That's a sprocket nose bar. And we'll take a look at some of the features on that. Master control is real easy to get at right here. The off is all the way up, all the way down is choke, and high idle's in the mid-range there. Got the side load on the fuel and the oil reservoir. Has a working chain brake. Falling spike right there. And to adjust the tension on this saw, you loosen the two bolts up, the two lug nuts here. Right on the inside's your tensioner. Just a good old running chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it now.